Native Americans have been involved in the tourism of North America since the very beginning. The purpose of Native American tourism in the Northwoods is to examine the role Native American tribes have played in Wisconsin's tourism industry from statehood to present day. The literature reviewed for this research included historical and contemporary sources. A major part of the research was analysis of Wisconsin's playground, Shawano Lake and Menominee Indian Reservation, a 1925 tourist brochure. Initially, tribes in the state did not always benefit from tourism, but they have always been here. Photographs taken of Ho-Chunk individuals were used to attract early tourists to Wisconsin dells. In 2020, Wisconsin tribes have direct control of many tourism industries, which I generally group into cultural, environmental, and entertainment tourism. A needed future change is the further protection and preservation of burial mounds that exist across the state. Wisconsin owes its entire tourism industry to the Native American tribes of the state.